Hi, I'm really excited to see you again in this class. And what were we discussing in the previous class? Yes, we were discussing about the phrases. Do you know what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words that stands as a single unit. Group of words as a single one unit. Okay? And you know that a phrase has no subject, no verb and no complete idea. But it is an important part in a sentence. And also we solved some examples in the previous class. There are 5 kinds of phrases. They are noun phrase, verbal phrase, adjectival phrase, adverbial phrase, and the 5th one is prepositional phrase. In the previous class we were discussing about the noun phrase and verbal phrase. Let me give you a view on it. Noun phrase is a group of words headed by a noun or pronoun. It acts as a noun. The whole group of words acts as a noun. That's why it is called as noun phrase. Verbal phrase, in the other hand, it's a group of words that acts as a verb, as a single unit verb. And today in this class we are going to discuss the remaining kinds of phrases: adjectival phrase, adverbial phrase and prepositional phrase. The first phrase we are going to see today is adjectival phrase. Adjectival phrase is a group of words headed by an adjective. Headed by an adjective that modifies a noun. Here our adjectival phrase is going to modify the noun. It's just going to tell about the noun. Clue. We have a clue to find the adjectival phrase. It's very simple. First word may be an adverb or a preposition. It's not for every sentence. Just 90% of sentences, it starts with an adverb or a preposition. That's all. Let's check. The first sentence here is, the food is extremely delicious. Can you find the adjectival phrase here? There is a clue. You know that clue? The clue is, first word may be an adverb or preposition. Here the first word extremely is an adverb. Extremely is an adverb and followed by the head word delicious. Delicious is an adjective. Extremely delicious is an adjectival phrase here. And let's move to the next sentence. The dog covered in mud is mine. Can you find the adjectival phrase here? It's very easy. The adjectival phrase here is covered in mud. Then what's the adjective? The adjective here is the covered. Covered is a participle word, past participle word. Here it acts as an adjective. So the head word is covered. Covered in mud is an adjectival phrase. The dog covered in mud is mine. It modifies the noun. They are talking about the dog which was covered in mud. Let's move to the next sentence. The class is so calm and quiet. Just like our class, the class is so calm and quiet. We have the clue here. So is the adverb. So calm and quiet is the adjectival phrase. The last sentence, the girl surfing that wave is the champion. The girl surfing that wave is the champion. The adjectival phrase here is surfing that wave. The head word adjective is surfing. It's a present participle word. It acts as an adjective here. It speaks about the girl. Surfing that wave is the champion. And let's move to the next one. adverbial phrase. An adverbial phrase is a group of words that modifies the meaning of a verb. It modifies the meaning of a verb or adjective. Sometimes it modifies the meaning of adverbs. And we have a clue to find an adverbial phrase. It's very easy. It answers the question when, where, how. If we ask the question when or where or how to the sentence, we could get the adverbial phrase. Let us check the first sentence. I parked the car right here under the bridge. I am going to ask the question where. Where did I park the car? The answer is right here under the bridge. So the adverbial phrase is right here under the bridge. It answers the question where. And the next one. Time goes very quickly. The sentence is the time goes very quickly. What's the question? How? Time goes very quickly. How does the time go? Very quickly is the adverbial phrase. The third sentence. Gates are open at 4 o'clock. Gates are open at 4 o'clock. Here you have to ask the question when. If you ask the question when, what will be the answer? Answer at 4 o'clock. So that's the adverbial phrase here. And the last sentence, he accepted the award with a smiling face. He accepted the award with a smiling face. How has he accepted the award? He has accepted the award with a smiling face. And that's the adverbial phrase here. It's so easy. I hope you have understood. And let us move to the next part. And the last one in our list is prepositional phrases. It is a group of words that modifies a verb or a noun. It modifies a verb or a noun. Here the head word is preposition. There's a clue. It begins with the preposition and ends with the noun. The clue here is it begins with the preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. The head word here is preposition, and it can function as either adjective phrases or adverb phrases. A bit complicated one. It can function as either adjective phrases or adverb phrases. Let us see some examples. I am going out with my friend. You know the clue, it begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. As per the logic here, with my friend. With is the preposition head word followed by the noun. And the next one, the key belongs to my father. The key belongs to my father. I hope you have found it. To my father is the prepositional phrase and to is the head word here. My father, it ends with the noun. And let's move to the next one. The politician along with the newsman is expected shortly. Here the prepositional phrase is along with the newsman. Along with is a preposition. The politician along with the newsman. The newsman is a noun. Newsman is a noun. It starts with the preposition and ends with the noun. The logic is correct. The prepositional phrase is along with the newsman. The last sentence, the present inside the big box is mine. Here, the prepositional phrase acts as an adverbial phrase. Inside the big box. It answers the question where it acts as the adverbial phrase here. The present inside the big box. It starts with the preposition and ends with the noun box. The present inside the big box is mine. It's a professional phrase. That's all for the today's class. I hope you have understood it well. And I also have shared you a link along with this video. Just click the link. It will forward you to the G-form worksheet. Read the sentences carefully and do it well. I hope you would get full marks. All the very best. Thank you for watching this video.